Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is February the 23rd and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This system uses Heikin Ashi candles on the top, and it also has the super signal indicator. That's these ones with the arrows. It'll give an audio, sound, and a pop-up box like you see here, alerting to you that there's a potential trade. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, I'm in front of the computer. That's New York time, looking at all the different instruments and, of course, looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision, want to be buying or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow. Keep in mind that this system, like all my systems, only work on the MT4 platform. Here we go. Let's take a look at this daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor running in real time, so gone are the days where I have to look at anything higher than the 15-minute time frame, as I am a day trader. The daily trade plan will tell me with a quick look whether it's going up or down, and of course in the comments it'll make a suggestion if I should be looking for bearish or bullish trades. And when there's not enough strength going one direction or the other, it'll say something like this in white. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, doesn't have to be this one, but after 19 years I found that this one has been the best one I ever came across. And so if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in buying, well, just Skype me. Okay, let's get into these trades. Most of them were the futures, the indexes, as they move a lot more and pay a lot more. Keep in mind you can trade anything using my Magic Scalper that the broker offers you. If you can get it into the Market Watch, you can trade it. So here we go on the pound dollar. This one I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Now it could have easily just kept going up, but it was struggling, and after I noticed that I was well over 200 pips and ticks, I just closed it out, and this turned out to be just a small loser. Looking at the money, since it's $10 a pip, easy to see that I've lost 5 pips here. There it is right there, 5 pips I lost, and that's why you see a negative $50. Just to let you know, I do have some losers, but as my mentor told me many years ago, keep your losers small and let your winners grow. And that's how you succeed at trading. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Looking at the money, because it pays $5 for each tick, I used a calculator. Calculator says it should be 63 ticks. So this is where I decided to pull the trigger, and I closed it out here, getting those 63 ticks. There it is right there, and that paid out $315. Keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education, and you'll need that daily trade plan. Now you must think you're learning to become a doctor or a lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you will fail at trading. Now after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So moving on to the next trade. Crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. This is the only one I sold. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. We have the arrows, all indicators top and bottom, saying it's going to go down. So I sold it. Trading decision was easy to make. Got in at that cursor. And of course, because it pays $10 for each tick, looking at the money, this should be 55. There it is right there, 55 ticks, and that paid out $550. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This S&P 500 pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 185 ticks. So everything was looking great. Did qualify for a great way to trade. All the indicators top and bottom. All the rules were showing me to buy, pointing in that direction. So I bought it at that cursor and I closed it out there, locking in those 185 ticks, and that paid out $925. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it's approximately 90 ticks. So I took the trade at this cursor. Everything was looking good. All the rules told me I followed all the rules, so I decided to buy. Got in at that cursor and I closed it out here, locking in. There it is right there, those 90 ticks. And that paid out $1,812. So another great day of trading. Great way to end the week. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks. Grand total came to 388 pips and ticks. And that ended up paying out $3,552. So if your system's not producing like my Magic Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, or if you want to buy anything at all, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now, if you look right below this video, you'll see a banner, the word more. Just click on it. It'll open up another box with all my contact information and a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I actually do answer the phone, if I'm not busy, of course. And if you can't do that, well, just send me an email. Now I do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. There's a link. All you got to do, just click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, I'll be able to answer your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages and everything that I teach within those packages. A lot of information. Please read everything below the video. And I do have a special offer that if you do buy 2 packages, I will give you one of the other 2 for free. Keep in mind I charge $250 for each package. One of the packages is called the FibMaster tool, the full course. This is a good example of how the charts, when it looks like this, price makes a move on this crude oil. Did a bit of a pullback right here. As it's pulling back, all you got to do is put the fib tool on it. Goes from swing high down to swing low. There's your pullback to entry 1. And usually, if it hits entry 1, 2, or 3, many times it will reach to target 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's exactly what happened today. This is a great tool to have. And it It helps millions of traders all over the world who are using it. It also has a grand total of 10 different targets, all the way down to 10 here. Now, if you have any questions on this fib tool, well, just get in contact with me. Well, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.